Hey, what's up and welcome back to another video, and today I'm taking a quick look at the official Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 silicone case. Now this one is in mint color to match the mint phone that I have. So let's take a look at this case and see what we get and see how it looks on the phone. So again, you get the anti-reflective, you get two of the anti-reflective films as part of the case, so that's handy to know. We'll put those to the side for now. And so here is the silicone case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 in the mint color, as I said. So again, it's exactly like pretty much exactly like the clear case, which I have here somewhere. I'll put you, oh, here we go. Yeah. So it's pretty much exactly like the clear case here. Yeah, so not too bad in terms of color match of the phone. So let's have a look at the back. Yeah, it's not too far off. It's not too far off in the color. I think it's more pronounced on the case than it is on the actual phone in terms of the color. But it would do quite nicely. I think the case is definitely more pronounced having that on there than the color that you get on the actual phone. But again, I think it's the way the different materials, you've got the silicone here, and obviously the material that the phone is made out of will change how the color actually looks. But yeah, let's pop this on and have a look. So as with the last case, you do have some sticky label things that you can remove from in here, so make sure you do those. We've got another one in here. So there's the case, so we've got all of those off now. Oh, and one last thing here as well. It's another sticky. There we go. So check these cases, they've got stickers and cutouts and things that you need to remove before you put them on your nice new phone. So let's put this bad boy on and see what it looks like. And just remember, it is literally covers only the back half of the phone, so it's like half a case. You know, if we're being semantic about it, but color-wise, I do quite like it. It definitely pops a bit more than the color on the actual phone, so that's quite nice. Gives you decent protection on the back. Again, no hinge protection, no cover screen protection, but you know, you get what you're getting with this case. And then you have the this is slightly different because this doesn't have any grip. This is just a plain silicone case. So when I said it was similar to the clear grip case, it is in the sense of the design, but the grip case has that bit there that you can actually grip, whereas this has essentially what is a kickstand, which is quite cool. So you can pull that out there, so you can have the phone up like that. You can adjust the phone to be at an angle, so you can have it like that. That works like that. Or I guess you can have the phone like that. So if you put it at the side, it would be like that. And then I guess if you open it up as well, if you open up the phone, you can have it propped up like that. Pretty good. That's what it looks like at the side. Propped up like that. You can have it propped. Yeah, you can have it propped up at pretty much any angle you like. Oh, not that bit. Not that way though, because that's that way. So yeah, you can have it pretty much propped up at 3 angles. So that way, sideways, and sideways again. So that's quite handy if you watch a lot of content, or you're doing any sort of reading, stuff like that. You want to be kind of hands-free. This case would be quite good for that because you've got the kickstand here. It's fairly sturdy for what it is. So yeah, that is the silicone case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 in mint color to match my phone. I quite like this. I think I like this more than the clear grip case because of the kickstand. So yeah, that is just a quick look at the Samsung Galaxy silicone case for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in mint color.